Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. I want to say a huge thanks to everyone subscribing, liking, joining the Telegram chat, and leaving such great comments below the videos. It is very much appreciated, guys. I can't, stress out enough how overwhelming it really feels. So it's great that you're finding the content that I'm providing you with, uh, useful in some ways. So it's really great. That means I'm doing something right here. So thanks to everyone. Check out the Telegram chat. Great chat. A lot of great fellas in there. We're sharing great projects, sharing great past experiences, learning on our mistakes, helping others prevent making those mistakes. So, huge shout out to the Telegram chat, okay? I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. You should do your own research before investing money into crypto. Okay, today we're going to be taking a look at crypto.com. CRO is the ticker against USDT on KuCoin. So right now, I did have this Fibonacci retracement up last time we were recording this video. So from this swing high, just going to zoom in a bit more. So from this swing high to this swing low over here, we do have this support trend line on the 4-hourly chart. Yes, it was broken a couple of times. You can even draw a second support trend line from this one over here, just like this, okay? And you can have two support lines, uh, close to each other, and that's something that happens sometimes. So for example, if you start coming back down, losing these fib levels, you bounce off this support level, then you lose it as support, and you can target this trend line over here to catch the price action. Okay, so just keep that in mind. This is the 4-hourly chart. We do have the 20 EMA and the 55 EMA up. We are in a bullish cross right now. So we formed the bullish cross way over here. And this was July 24th. Ever since then, we were getting these EMA squeezes. As you can see, a squeeze over here where the EMAs bounce off of each other. Another EMA squeeze over here, another EMA squeeze over here, and another one over here. And we had just one recently over here. So yeah, we had this fib up and we broke all the, levels that we had. I'm just going to add a couple of more Fibonacci levels just because we have been doing very well. Okay, so we broke the 3. Let's just add that in there. Okay. So we went all the way up and broke the 3rd level on the Fibonacci retracement, but then we had this strong, massive dip on Bitcoin, and this was a 25% correction. And I did pick up some crypto.com just over here, and I'm already up 12%. And I did mention some of the other altcoins that I did pick up. And, this is a great project. Not a lot of volume on their exchange from what I know, but hopefully it's going to change in the near future. They do have a lot of great partners. I think including UFC, to be honest. I'm not sure. Don't take that with a grain of salt, but I think UFC is in a partnership with crypto.com. I constantly see their ads. It's all over the place. So I think they're going to be big. Their market cap is something around $5 billion. And they do have around $25 billion tokens in circulation. So, we can see a dollar within this bull market for sure. I think it's not, it's not far-fetched to say a dollar or $2 is very likely, to be honest with you. So we had this massive dip all the way to the 618 to the 0.5 on the fib. Then we started our move towards the upside, and now we're holding the 1.618 as support, okay? And we do have below that the 55 EMA. So we're holding the 20. We actually just lost the 20 EMA. Hopefully we can rebound back up and stay above it, because if you're below the 20 EMA, you're dragging it down. And when you're dragging it down, you're dragging it down for the bearish cross, okay? And you don't want to see that on the 4-hourly chart. Okay, so the higher the time frame, the more substance there is behind the patterns and behind the bullish and the bearish crosses. So we do have a nice support level over here at the 1.414, and you just want to add that as a nice support level. Just going to do that for you. Okay, there we go. Going to add the price tag in there. That's going to be 0.1725 cents, okay? That's a nice support level. Obviously, we may just bounce off the 55 EMA. If Bitcoin has another pullback, you're looking at the next fib level below that at 0.1698, so pretty much 17 cents. And below that, we do have this strong support, which was turned into support, broken resistance into support, 0.1646, pretty much 16.5 cents. So what we're looking at right now is, and by the way, I did give you this strong resistance level, and we did get rejected from it, as you can see over here. We went through it. You could have sold. I gave you the sell order, okay, at 19 cents something, right? 1989. That's where my order got executed, and I do have my last order over here in the trading series at 0.2512. So keep that in mind if you're following the trading series. If not, then I do recommend you check it out because we're doing pretty good in terms of gains in there. So even with this dip, we're not we're still in profit, in good profit. Okay, so you want to get above the 1.618, draw this Fibonacci retracement up, and you're looking at nice targets over here. So the final target that we have, once we make that full retracement to the upside, is over here, sitting at 20, pretty much 21 cents. So from where we are right now to, why? It is a bit laggy, I do apologize. So we do have, from where we are right now, at 19% trade, pretty much 20% trade to this target over here. And that is, of course, if we hold support and Bitcoin doesn't correct. As you can see, we went all the way down here. So what I would suggest doing is just trying to get into crypto.com when we do have these sort of pullbacks. And I'm just going to lay a little rectangle over here because I think this will be a very nice area to get some crypto.com tokens. Obviously, we may go below this area, but I think anywhere in between 15 to 16 cents is a very nice place to get more crypto.com tokens, okay? If we do end up rolling down to this area, then yeah, make sure to get into the project. So yeah, that's not financial advice. Let's jump into KuCoin for some technical indicators. Okay, so we are on the daily chart right now. I have set up the Fibonacci retracement from this swing high to this swing low over here. And if we take a look at some of the targets, we can see, and these are not bull market and type of targets, but we do have a 60-cent target over here for crypto.com, okay? And we're looking at that target and we're looking to break that level because, for example, Solana has retraced to its previous all-time high, and now it has pretty much tripled, more than tripled in price, okay? So from where we are right now, that's a whopping 234%, okay? Right now, our main target is the 0.5 over here at 21 cents. That's the next extension from the previous fib as well. So this is a strong target. You want to get above that. We're forming a nice cup and handle pattern over here, as you can see. Yeah, just about over here. So a nice cup and handle on the daily chart. This is the resistance. And now we're forming hopefully we're forming the handle over here. So the target from this cup and handle pattern, and the cup, if you can't see it already, I'm just going to show you because some of you may not be aware of this pattern. So this is pretty much like a cup. You have the resistance from this top to this top. And right now we need to get that handle. And once you get that handle, you are going to see a break, hopefully to the upside. And the break would be from the resistance all the way down to the bottom of the cup, and you place it wherever the breakout is you think is going to occur. So pretty much it's giving us this 28% target, 28 cent target over here, 28.5 cent at the 0.786, okay? And this would mean that we would have broken through the 618 on the fib over here, sitting at 24 cents. That is a major resistance level as well. I always say the 0.618 is the most important Fibonacci level of them all. And if you break that, you're pretty much looking a lot stronger for breaking those all-time highs and for those local highs. So if we break this level over here, you're looking for those next resistance targets to be met, okay? So yeah, keep that in mind and have this cup and handle pattern on your chart. On the daily chart, as you can see, we're in a bullish cross as well. We're holding the 20 EMA as support, which is nice. We're constantly bouncing off of it. So look for the 20 EMA as a nice buying opportunity on the daily chart. Okay, I do apologize about that. And let's get into the technical indicators a bit. So we are about to form the bearish cross in the MACD, but we can get a squeeze over here where the moving average, the yellow line, bounces off from the signal line, and that may be potentially your signal. Once you see something like this happen, okay, then you can, be safe and well, not safe, but that could be one of the indicators that is going to say like, hey, you can enter a trade right now into crypto.com, because crypto.com hasn't really had a very strong move like some of the altcoins already have. And on the stochastic RSI on the daily chart, we're pretty much in the floor. So this is another indicator pointing towards buying, okay? And I'm dollar cost averaging into this. I'm going to start staking it very soon. Hopefully I'm going to have a referral link soon. I'm just going to set it up in the coming days. And yeah, it's looking really good, guys. To be honest with you, this project is going to do wonders. I don't know how long I'm going to hold this. I'm going to set some long-term targets. But for right now, we do have these 3 targets over here. And yeah, I'm just going to be staking for quite some time. Maybe I'll sell by the end of the bull market. But hopefully, I'm going to be able to help all of you take profits if you want to take profits before the end of the bull market. And we're expecting the end of the bull market to be somewhere in December to February, okay? It may come a bit early, it may come a bit later, but you want to be taking profits because you don't know when it's going to come. You always have to be taking profits if you're not in it for, the next 5 to 10 years, obviously, okay? So unless you want to hold long term, take profits. If it dips, buy back lower, okay? So that's pretty much it, guys, for me. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If I missed out anything on the charts, any pattern that you may have spotted, do let me know in the comments below. We do have this head and shoulders pattern playing out on the 4-hourly pattern as well. I was about to end the video, but I spotted this 4-hourly head and shoulders just like that, and I think we carried out the target from that. Yeah, I think, yeah, the target has been met from there. Yeah. So this has played out, obviously. So yeah, I do apologize about that. Just rambling on at this point. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and good night. Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. I want to say a huge thanks to everyone subscribing, liking, joining the Telegram chat, and leaving such great comments below the videos. It is very much appreciated, guys. I can't, stress out enough how overwhelming it really feels. So it's great that you're finding the content that I'm providing you with uh useful in some ways. So it's really great. That means I'm doing something right here. So thanks to everyone. Check out the Telegram chat. Great chat. A lot of great fellas in there. We're sharing great projects, sharing great past experiences, learning on our mistakes, helping others prevent making those mistakes. So huge shout out to the Telegram chat, okay? I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. You should do your own research before investing money into crypto. Okay, today we're going to be taking a look at crypto.com. CRO is the ticker against USDT on KuCoin. So right now, I did have this Fibonacci retracement up last time we were recording this video. So from this swing high, I'm just going to zoom in a bit more. So from this swing high to this swing low over here, we do have this support trend line on the 4-hourly chart.